Get ready, folks, because the news cycle is absolutely on fire today, and we've got the hottest updates right here on ElectroDrive News. The pace is relentless, the stories are massive, and you absolutely do not want to miss what's unfolding across the globe. We're diving deep into the developments that are shaping industries and impacting your world, so buckle up. First, we're hitting the ground running with a look at a major player in the electric vehicle market and how its latest financial reports are sending ripples through the industry. Is the competition heating up, or is this just a temporary blip? We've got the breakdown. Then, we're shifting gears to explore the impressive growth trajectory of a key automotive giant, revealing the numbers that tell a story of expansion and innovation. What's driving this surge, and what does it mean for the future of mobility? Stick around to find out. Next up, we're getting the inside scoop from Wall Street as analysts weigh in on a company's international conquest and its strategic moves that are paying off big time. Is this the secret sauce to sustained success in a tough market? We'll tell you all about it. And finally, we're bringing you a crucial financial snapshot from a leading automotive manufacturer, detailing its significant revenue leap and what it signals for its market position. You've got to see these figures. Don't go anywhere, hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you never miss a moment of the action. Market shakeup alert. BYD's financial performance in the first half of 2025 has revealed a complex picture, with earnings missing expectations and profit margins facing significant pressure within the highly competitive Chinese electric vehicle market. This situation has drawn the attention of market watchers and investors alike, keen to understand the underlying dynamics at play for one of the world's leading EV manufacturers. The company's latest earnings report, which indicated a miss on expected profitability and highlighted margin compression, comes at a time when the Chinese EV landscape is more intense than ever. Several factors are contributing to this challenging environment, including aggressive pricing strategies adopted by competitors, escalating research and development costs as companies vie for technological supremacy, and a maturing domestic market that demands constant innovation and value. BYD, despite its strong brand recognition and extensive product lineup, is not immune to these market forces. The pressure on margins suggests that while sales volumes may remain robust, the profitability per unit is declining, a trend that could impact future investment and growth if not effectively managed. Analysts are closely monitoring BYD's ability to navigate this period of intense competition, looking for signs of strategic adjustments in pricing, cost control, or product differentiation. The company's substantial investment in research and development, as reported, is a positive indicator of its commitment to long-term innovation. But the immediate challenge lies in translating these advancements into profitable market share without further eroding margins. The narrative surrounding BYD's performance is thus one of resilience and strategic adaptation in the face of fierce market headwinds, with investors evaluating whether the company can maintain its leading position while simultaneously improving its profitability. The coming quarters will be critical in determining how BYD addresses these margin pressures and its overall competitive standing in the global EV race. This situation has sparked considerable debate among industry analysts and investors about the sustainability of growth in the Chinese EV sector and BYD's specific strategies. Stay with us as we dive into BYD's impressive revenue and profit growth in the first half of the year, revealing the numbers that tell a story of expansion and innovation. Global expansion momentum. BYD Company Limited has posted a robust performance in the first half of 2025, showcasing significant year-on-year growth in both revenue and net profit, underscoring its position as a dominant force in the new energy vehicle (NEV) market. The Shenzhen-based automotive giant announced a revenue of 371.28 billion yuan, an impressive 23.3% increase compared to the same period last year. This surge in top-line figures was complemented by a substantial rise in net profit attributable to shareholders, which grew by 13.79% to 15.51 billion yuan. The automotive sector, encompassing vehicles and associated products, continues to be the primary engine driving BYD's impressive financial results. This segment's growth reflects the increasing global demand for electric and hybrid vehicles, a trend BYD has strategically capitalized on. In contrast, revenues generated from mobile handset components and assembly services experienced a decline, indicating a strategic shift or market challenges in that particular business division. A key highlight of BYD's performance is its aggressive and sustained investment in research and development (R&D). The company reported a remarkable 53.05% increase in R&D expenditure for the first half of the year, totaling 30.88 billion yuan. This significant investment signals BYD's commitment to technological innovation, aiming to maintain its competitive edge in the rapidly evolving NEV landscape through advancements in battery technology, autonomous driving, and vehicle design. The company also reported exceptional sales growth, with NEV sales reaching an astounding 2,145,954 units, marking a substantial 33.04% increase year-on-year. This volume growth, coupled with strategic market penetration and product launches, positions BYD favorably in key global markets. The company's ability to balance aggressive R&D investment with strong sales and profit growth paints a picture of a well-managed and forward-thinking enterprise poised for continued success. Industry observers are closely watching how BYD's sustained investment in R&D and its strong sales figures will translate into market leadership and technological breakthroughs. Now, let's turn our attention to Wall Street's perspective, where analysts are weighing in on a company's international conquest and its strategic moves that are paying off big time. International acclaim. BYD Co. has garnered significant attention from Wall Street, with analysts reaffirming a strong buy rating and setting an ambitious price target, largely driven by the company's exceptional performance and growth potential in international markets. Eunice Lee, an analyst at Bernstein, recently revisited BYD, maintaining her buy rating and a price target of $130,000, a testament to her confidence in the company's strategic direction. This positive outlook is primarily anchored in BYD's remarkable overseas expansion, which has seen its international wholesale volumes skyrocket by an impressive 145% year-over-year and achieve a solid 25% quarter-over-quarter growth. This surge in global demand is particularly pronounced in key European markets, including Turkey, the United Kingdom, and Spain, where the introduction of BYD's plug-in hybrid vehicles has been exceptionally well received, contributing to substantial increases in sales. The strategic advantage of BYD's international operations is further amplified by their superior profitability. Current estimates suggest that the net profit per vehicle sold overseas significantly exceeds RMB 25,000, a stark contrast to the margin pressures being experienced in its domestic market. These domestic pressures are attributed to aggressive pricing tactics employed by competitors and increased capital expenditures necessary to maintain market share and invest in future technologies. However, BYD's robust performance across international territories, coupled with its capacity to stabilize its domestic market share, provides a strong foundation for its buy rating. Analyst Eunice Lee maintains a decidedly constructive outlook on BYD, emphasizing that these international successes, alongside the company's resilience in its home market, are key indicators of its sustained growth potential and strong competitive positioning in the global automotive industry. This analyst's confidence underscores the market's positive reception to BYD's global strategy and its ability to command higher margins internationally. We're rounding out our updates with a crucial financial snapshot from a leading automotive manufacturer, detailing its significant revenue leap and what it signals for its market position. Revenue surge confirmation. BYD Auto Co. Limited has officially announced its financial results for the first half of fiscal year 2025, confirming a substantial revenue of 371.3 billion yuan, which converts to approximately $52 billion. This figure represents a significant 23.3% increase compared to the revenue reported in the same period of the previous year, highlighting a strong period of growth for the automotive manufacturer. This revenue milestone is a clear indicator of the company's expanding market presence and the increasing demand for its products, particularly within the new energy vehicle sector, where BYD holds a leading position. The substantial year-on-year increase in revenue suggests successful market penetration strategies, effective product launches, and a growing acceptance of electric and hybrid vehicles among consumers globally. This financial performance is crucial as it provides a solid foundation for the company's ongoing investments in research and development, manufacturing capacity, and global expansion initiatives. The reported figures are expected to be viewed favorably by investors and stakeholders, reinforcing confidence in BYD's business model and its ability to navigate the competitive automotive landscape. The confirmation of this revenue growth provides a clear signal of BYD's forward momentum and its capacity to achieve ambitious financial targets. It also sets a positive tone for the company's future outlook, suggesting continued growth and potential for increased market share in the dynamic and rapidly evolving automotive industry. This strong revenue performance is being closely watched as a key indicator of BYD's market health and its competitive strength. That wraps up our news for today. Stay tuned for more updates. And that's a wrap on today's electrifying news. We saw BYD facing margin pressures amid fierce competition in China, but also reporting impressive H1 revenue and profit growth. Analysts are bullish on BYD's international expansion, citing strong overseas sales and profitability. Don't miss out on any of these critical updates. Make sure you're subscribed, hit that notification bell, drop a like if you found this valuable, leave a comment with your thoughts, and follow us on all our social channels for even more. We'll catch you in the next one.